Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you welcome to class 3 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. So now we will start lesson number 6, division. Okay. Before starting our today's topic, first we will see what we had learned our last classes. So what you had learned our last classes, student? Everyone know very well what you had learned. First you had learned recall. Okay, so look at in example number 5. There is the 5 leaves. How many leaves? There is the 15 leaves. How many leaves? 15 leaves. So that 15 leaves divided into the 5 groups. So after dividing that leaf in the 5 groups, so how many leaves in the one group? So look at there. We are making here 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups we are making. Now look at there in one group how many leaves? 1, 2, 3. How many leaves? 1, 2, 3. So after making a group of 15 leaves, we are making a group into the 5 groups. So 3 leaves in the one group. So look at there. Okay. The next topic is finding number of group by divisions. If some time is divide into the equal group, you can using the division to find how many in each. So look at there. Suppose you have to divide 12 sweets equally 5 friends. How many sweets? 12 sweets, and we are divided that sweets into the 4 friends. So how much getting sweet for each friend? So for that we will do division. So that 12 sweets we will be divided into the 4 groups. After dividing that 12 sweets into the 4 groups, so each friend getting the 3 sweets. Okay. Then division as repetition subtraction. In this topic we are subtracted division. Okay, so look at there example 12 minus 4. So look at we want the how much 12 divided by 4. One times how did you divide the 12 sweet into the ग्रुप ऑफ 4 ईच? कितने स्वीट्स है? 12 स्वीट्स है, उसको 4 ग्रुप में कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? यू रिपीटेडली सब्ट्रैक्टेड 4 फ्रॉम द 12 टिल नो स्वीट्स वेयर लेफ्ट. हम 12 में से 4 माइनस करेंगे तब तक क्या नहीं आता है? नो स्वीट्स, मतलब 0 आता है तब तक. सो लुक एट देयर 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 8. 8 minus 4 4. 4 minus 4 0. So now how much time we are subtracted 4? 4 कितने टाइम subtract किया हमने? 1, 2 and 3 times. So how much? 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Then look at here multiplication and division. There are the 3 groups of 4 monkeys each. How many groups? 3 group, and each group have a 4 monkey. Now we will do multiplication that group into the how much group monkey in one group? 4. So that 3 means 3 groups and 4 means 4 monkey in each group. Now we will do multiplication. So 3 into 4 equal to 12. Multiplication means putting the equal group together, that all monkeys getting together. So now that all monkeys are coming in one groups. Okay, let's divide into the 3 groups. Now let's that 12 monkey is divided into the 3 groups. After the making that 3 groups, so how much monkey in one group? 4 monkeys in the one group. There are 4 monkeys in each group. Therefore 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. Divide means splitting into the equal group. Therefore we see multiplication divide are the opposite of each other. We can also divide the 12 monkeys into the 4 group of 3 each. Now that 12 monkey we will divide it into the 4 groups. So after making the 4 group, how much monkeys in one group? 3 monkeys in one group. So look at here 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. Okay, therefore the ones multiplication fact 3 and 4 is the factor of 12. 12 के factors क्या है? 3 and 4 factors है. Now look at there 12. This is the quotient. ये क्वेश्चन को हम ये वन फैक्टर के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें 4 मिल गया, मतलब अनदर फैक्टर. नाउ 12, ये 12 क्वेश्चन है. ये जो अनदर फैक्टर है 4, उसको हमने डिवाइड किया है तो हमें क्या मिल गया है? 3 मिल गया है. मीन्स दिस इज द डिविजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Then after we had learned the property of division. So what is the property of divisions? First property, when we divide the number by 1, we get the same number as the quotient. Suppose we are divided 1 in any number. 1 in any number, so we will get itself number. For example, 3 divided by 1. Suppose we are dividing 3 divided by 1, so we will get that itself answer means 3. Here also 6 divided by 1 equal to 6 and 9 divided by 1 equal to 9. Then second property, when a number is divided by itself number. Which number? Itself number. So we will get quotient 1. So for example, 9 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 we will get 1. 3 divided by 3 1 and 6 divided by 6 1. Now next property, look at there 4 into j. This is the property of multiplication. What is the property of multiplication? Suppose we are multiply 0 in any number, so we will get answer 0. So like that this is the property of division. Suppose we are divide 0 in any number, so we will get answer 0. So this is the factors of division. Then yesterday we had learned division using the table. Okay, so this is the table, and that we are by using the table we are solving this exercise 6.3. So all of you learn table. I hope all of you nicely learn table. Now we will start our today's topic, long division. But before starting our today's topic, first I will show you one video about this topic. So look at here.
Let us solve some division stories at the park. Let us read each story and try to find out the answer. Look, David has 35 marbles. He divides them equally among his 5 friends. How many marbles does each friend get? First, we read this story. What information does it give? David has 35 marbles. He divides them equally among his 5 friends. Now, let us see what we have to find out. How many marbles does each friend get? We have to divide 35 with 5 to find the total number of marbles each friend gets. Let us start. Here, as 5 is the divisor, we will use the table of 5. We know 7 into 5 is equal to 35. So, we will write 7 as the quotient. Now, write 35 below the dividend. Here, let us subtract 35 from the dividend. We get 0 as the remainder. So, we say 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Thus, each friend gets 7 marbles. Look, They are so happy. Ria had 56 cookies. She gave 4 cookies to each friend. How many friends got the cookies? First, we read this story. What information does it give? Ria had 56 cookies. She gave 4 cookies to each friend. Now let us see what we have to find out. How many friends got the cookies? We have to divide 56 with 4 to find the answer. Do you remember? We have to follow 5 simple steps to find the answer. They are compare, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Let us quickly start with the division. Compare the numbers 5 and 4. 5 is greater than 4. Hence, we can divide 5 by 4. Next is to find the nearest product to 5, which in this case is 4. So, we write 1 above the 5. We know 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, we write the number 4 in the tens column under 5. Subtract 4 from 5, which is equal to 1. Write 1 in the tens column. Now, bring down the next digit, that is 6. Here, 16 is greater than 4. So, we can divide 16 by 4. Here, 16 is completely divisible by 4. So, we write 4 above the 6. As we know, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. We write the number 16 under 16. Finally, 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Write 0 in the ones column. Thus, 14 friends got the cookies. They are enjoying the yummy cookies. Great job, David and Ria. Learning was amazing at the park.
I hope all of you nicely understood about the long division and all of you like video. So now we will start our topic, long division. Division can be set out in another way. 30 divided by 5 is written as 30 divided by 5 को हम another way से लिखेंगे 5. This is the 5. This is 5 divisor and this is the dividend. Okay, ये divisor है और ये dividend है. How many 5 make a 30? How many 5 make the 30? We know that 6 5 make a 30. 5 के टेबल में 6 वाले प्लेस पे क्या आता है? 30 आता है. Look at there. Look at there. 6 into 5 equal to 30. 5 के टेबल में 6 वाले प्लेस पे क्या है? 30 है. So we are writing 6 and 30 minus 30 0. So look at there for student carefully. हमने जो क्वेश्चन मिला है 6 वो हमने यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखा है 0 के प्लेस पे, क्योंकि ये क्या है हमारा हमने क्या किया है 30 पूरा लिया है. दिस इज द 1 डिजिट नंबर. ये हमने 2 डिजिट नंबर यूज़ किया है, क्योंकि 5 ये जो 3 है 5 से छोटा है, तो ये हम इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, तो हमने 3 0 30 लिया है। तो ये 3 0 30 लिया है, इसलिए हमने जो 6 लिया है, 6 जो हमारा क्वेश्चन आया है वो हमने 10 वाले प्लेस पे लिखा है। ओके, वी राइट द क्वेश्चन अबाउट द डिविडेंड। डिविडेंड के ऊपर हम क्वेश्चन लिखते हैं। राइट 30 बिलो द डिविडेंड एज एंड सब्ट्रैक्टेड 0 ऑब्टेन द सब्ट्रैक्शन शो दैट देयर इज द नो रिमाइंडर। यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर कितना आ गया हमारा 0 आ गया है। नाउ वी विल चेक अवर आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट। व्हाट इज द अवर रूल, हमारा एक फार्मूला है रूल से, व्हाट डिवाइज़र मल्टीप्लाई क्वेश्चन, डिवाइज़र और क्वेश्चन को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारा डिविडेंड आता है, तो हमारा जो आंसर है वो सही है। सो 6 × 5 कितना होता है 30, तो हमारा डिविडेंड मिल गया, मतलब दिस इज द करेक्ट। नाउ लुक एट इन एक्सरसाइज 6.5. So from example number 1st to 15. First to 15 I will explain you, and from example number 16 to 24 this is the homework for you. What is the homework? Exercise 6.4 का एग्जाम्पल नंबर 16 से लेकर 24 तक आपको होमवर्क है, एंड एग्जाम्पल नंबर 15 तक मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. ओके, सो नाउ लुक एट हियर, दिस इज द टेबल, page number 66. Now look at in books. Okay, 2 divided by 12. 12 को डिवाइड करना है 2 के साथ. So look at in two tables. 12 is looking, yes. So 12 in which place? 12 is the place of 6. कौन से प्लेस पे है? 6 वाले प्लेस पे है. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, देखो यहाँ पे 1 ये 2 से छोटा है, तो हमने ये पूरा 12 लिया है. तो हमने क्या किया है, जो हमारा क्वेश्चन मिला है 6 को हमने 10 वाले प्लेस पे लिया है. नाउ 12 - 12 0. नाउ वी विल चेक अवर आंसर इज करेक्ट और नॉट. 2 और 6, 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6. अगर 2 के साथ 6 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें 12 आंसर मिलता है. दिस इज द डिवाइजर, क्वेश्चन एंड डिविडेंड. डिविडेंड हमें मिल गया. नाउ लुक एट हियर, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. 18 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 18 के साथ 2 को डिवाइड करेंगे. अब नाउ लुक एट इन 2 टेबल. 2 के टेबल में 18 है. सो 18 इज द विच प्लेस? 18 इज द प्लेस ऑफ 9. 9 × 2 = 18. सो वी विल राइट 9. 9 हमने 10 वाले प्लेस पे लिया है, और क्वेश्चन रिमाइंडर इज द 0. क्वेश्चन इज द 9. 2 × 9 18. सो दिस आल्सो करेक्ट. नाउ लुक एट हियर, 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 21. 21 3 के टेबल में आता है. सो लुक एट इन 3 टेबल्स. Sorry, this is 3 table. 21 is the 3 tables. Yes, in which place? 7th place is the 21. So we will write 7 in the 10th place, and 21 minus 21 0. Now 27 divided by 3. 27 3 के टेबल में आता है. Look at in 3 tables. Yes, 27 in the place of 27 is the place of 9. So our quotient is the 9. Now look at there, 9 into 3. 9 into 3 कितना होता है? 27. So this also correct. Now look at in example number 5. 4 divided by 20. 4 को 20 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे. Look at there, 4 के टेबल में 20 आता है. Yes, 4 5 का 20. So our quotient is the 5. 20 minus 20 0. 5 divided by 40. Now look at in 5 table. 5 के टेबल में 40 आता है. Yes, in which place? 8 place. So we are writing 8 here, and 40 minus 40 0. Then 6 divided by 36. 6 divided by 36. Look at there. 36 is present in the 6 table. Yes. In which place? 6 place. So I am writing here 6. 36 divided minus 36 equal to 0. Now look at here. 5 divided by 30. So 5 के टेबल में 30 आता है. Yes. In which place? 6 place. So 6 हमने यहाँ पे 10 वाले प्लेस में लिया है. 30 minus 30 0. 6 divided by 54. Now look at there. 54 in 6 table. Yes. In which place? 9th वाले प्लेस में है. तो हमने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? 9. 6 divided by 54 equal to 9. 54 minus 54 0. 25. 5 divided by 25. 5 के टेबल में 5 आता है. Look at here. Yes. 5 into 5 25. 5 के टेबल में 5 वाले प्लेस पे 25 है. So look at that. 25 minus 25 0 and is the 5. 5 into 5 25. 24 divided by 4 divided by 24. So 4 के टेबल में 24 आता है. Yes. In which place? 6th place. So look at there. 24 divided by 4 divided by 24 6 and 24 minus 24 0. Now 7 divided by 21. 7 divided by 21. Look at their 7 table. 7 के टेबल में 21 आता है. Yes. कौन से प्लेस पे? 3 वाले प्लेस पे आता है. So 3 is writing in the 10 place and 21 minus 21 0. Now 7 divided by 28. Look at there. 7 table. 7 के टेबल में 28 है. Yes. In which place? In 4th place. So 28 minus 28 0 and is the 4. Question is the 4. Now example number 14. 9 divided by 45. So 45 9 के टेबल में आता है. Look at there. Yes. In which place? 5th place. So 5. 45 minus 45 0. Now 7 divided by 63. 7 के टेबल में 63 आता है क्या? Yes. So in which place? 9th place. So 7 divided by 63 9 and 63 minus 63 0. Okay. This is the example from book. Now I am explaining another example. Okay. So which is the homework? Example number from 16 to 1 minute student. Example number 16 to 24. This is the homework for you. Okay. Now some example I will explain you. So example 1. 2 divided by 42. Now look at there. 2 divided by 42. ठीक है. Now look at there that 4 is the greater than 2. 4 ये 2 से बड़ा है. Now we will check 4 is present in 2 table. 2 के टेबल में 4 आता है. Yes. In the second place is the 4. So we will write 2. क्योंकि हम ये 4 के साथ डिवाइड कर रहे हैं इसलिए हम यहाँ पे 2 लिखेंगे. Now 4 minus 4 how much? 0. Now we will carry that 2. अभी ये 2 को हम नीचे लेंगे. ठीक है. Now this is the 2. 2 के टेबल में 2 कौन से प्लेस पे आता है? 1 वाले प्लेस पे. So 2 minus 2 0. And our property of division, suppose we are divided itself number, so we will get quotient 1. So what is the answer? Our 21. Again one example. 3 divided by 45. 3 divided by 45. Now look at there 45. So 4th is a greater than 3. 4 ये 3 से बड़ा है तो हम क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे. नाउ लुक एट देयर. 4 आता है क्या? 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है. लेकिन 4 ये 3 से क्या है? बड़ा है तो हम क्या करेंगे? 3 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 3 1 का 3. अभी कितना रिमाइंडर बच गया? यहाँ पे 1 बच गया. अभी ये जो हमारा 5 है हम उसको क्या करेंगे, नीचे लेंगे. नाउ 15 इज प्रेजेंट इन द 3 टेबल. लुक एट इन टेबल्स. यस, 15 इज द प्लेस ऑफ 5. 3 5 का 15 होता है, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे, 5 लिखेंगे और यहाँ पे 15 लिखेंगे. मीन्स 15 minus 15 0. So our quotient is the 15. Okay. So now we will check our answer is correct or wrong. So क्या है हमारा क्वेश्चन, 15 है, उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3, तो हम चेक करेंगे हमारा डिवाइज़र आता है कि नहीं. 15 into 3. 5 3 का 15, 1 is the carry. Now 3 into 1 3 and 3 plus 1 4. 45 हो गया हमारा, डिवाइज़र आ गया, मतलब ये हमारा आंसर क्या है, करेक्ट है. ओके, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू नाइसली अंडरस्टूड टुडे टॉपिक. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.